4 shapes. I decided to put 2 shapes on one side of my popsicle stick and 2 shapes on the other. So I broke my 4 shapes into 2 and 2. Now go ahead and take your tower of 4 and break it into groups of 2. Show me your new towers.
Oh, hold up your new towers. She broke it into groups of 2. Look how she
Talk
did.
about this the special math way. Repeat after me. 4 is the same as 2 and 2.
Oh. 4 is the same as 2 and 2.
We can also use that same sentence when talking about our 4 shapes. So again, repeat after me. 4 is the same as 2 and 2. Go ahead and put your tower back together to make a tower of 4 linking cubes.
Okay, put your tower like hers and lay it in front of you. Good
Now
job.
see if you can arrange our 4 shapes a different way.
Can you put some shapes on this side maybe and some shapes on the other side of your area? And break it into 2 towers?
One of my friends said, Mrs. Hawkins, I can arrange the 4 cubes into 1 and 3. I love that. Let's go ahead and use our special math sentence to describe this. Repeat it after me. 4 is the same as 1 and 3.
Four is the same as 1 and 3.
Great job. I heard another friend say, that's almost exactly what I did, except I put 3 on this side and 1 on the other side. Do we still have 4 cubes?
Does she still have 4?
Yes.
Huh.
Let's say the special math sentence for this setup. 4 is the same as 3 and 1.
Let's say it. 4 is the same as 3 and 1.
Great job. Let's go ahead and add another cube to our tower so that we have a tower of 5. Show me how you can break apart 5 into 2 parts.
Wow, now break apart 5. Make 2 little towers. After you break apart 5 into 2 little towers.
One of my friends said, I broke 5 apart into 1 and 4. Perfect. Let's go ahead and say it the special math way. 5 is the same as 1 and 4.
5 is the same as 1 and 4.
Good job. We can also switch them and say 5 is the same as 4 and 1.
5 is the same as 4 and 1.
Very good job. Let's make our 5 tower again and show me another way to break 5 into 2 parts.
Wow, can you show 5 a different way? Make your 2 towers and show it a different way. Good job, Leslie.
I heard my friend say, Mrs. Hawkins, I broke my 5 stick apart into 2 and 3. So let's go ahead and say that the special math way. 5 is the same as 2 and 3.
5 is the same as 2 and 3.
Let's go ahead and switch them around. We still have 5 cubes? And let's say this the special math way. 5 is the same as 3 and 2.
5 is the same as 3 and 2.
I am going to go ahead and draw some cubes.
We're just watching her. If you want to do it with her, you
And
can.
I am going to choose to color in this one and this one. Now tell me, did the number of our cubes change when I colored in 2 of them?
Did it change how many there were? No.
No, we still have 4 cubes, even though I colored in 2 of them, and 2 of them I did not color in, because we know that 4 is the same as 2 and 2. Great job today. Let's go ahead and work on our problem set. Here's the lesson 16 problem.
Okay. So, you can get your book back out and put your cubes away. Now you'll need your red crayon and your blue crayon. We're gonna do the starred ones, and then the rest you're gonna do on your own. Here's how we're gonna start. We've got our red and my blue marker.
Miss Cakes?
Yes.
I don't have any, I don't have any stars on mine.
You don't, sweetie. You're just gonna do the one that I point to, and you'll just do it with me. That's okay. So look right here in this one. See this first box? Put your pointer finger on this first box. I think there's more on the floor. Here. Okay. It says in the directions to color each picture. Color some squares red and some blue. Do it a different way each time. How many squares should I color blue? Raise your hand and tell me. Emily, how many do you want me to color blue?
1.
Emily said to color 1 square blue, and I'll color the rest red. You do this on your paper as well. Okay, then it asks me, how many squares are there all together? Let's count together. I'm gonna point to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many squares are there all together? Show me with your fingers. 4. Awesome. Short line down, cross the middle for fun. Top and bottom, then you're done. Now I'm going to go to the next star underneath. Point to this box with your pointer finger. Point right here when you're finished. I want to give everyone time. Okay, how many squares can I color blue in this box? Raise your hand and tell me how many you'd like for me to color blue. or Nolan, I'm sorry. Nolan, unmute your mic and tell me how many you want me to color blue. 2, okay. I'm gonna color 2. 1, 2. The rest, I'm gonna color red. Now it tells me how many squares are there in all. Well, I have 2 blue and 3 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares in all. Short line down, make a circle, half a circle back to the top and give it a hat. Whoop, my computer always does that when we're
Problem set. For the problem set, you're gonna...
okay. Once you're done with it, give me a thumbs up so that I know. Great job, Daphne. Good job, Russell. Emily, awesome. Okay, we're gonna go down here to the circles. Point to this box where Miss Cates is pointing. Point to that right now. It has 3 circles in the box. We're gonna do the 2 with the stars. It says, draw more circles to make 4. How am I gonna do that? Who could raise their hand and tell me what you think I need to do? I see 3 circles, but it says I need to draw more to make 4. Russell, can you help me? What do I need to do?
Draw 1 more circle.
Russell says I need to draw 1 more to make 4. I've got 3, so I know I need to make 4. So I'm gonna hold up 4 fingers. I know I have 3, so I'm gonna put those 3 fingers down. How many do I have left? 1. So I need to draw 1 more circle. Now let's look over here. We have 2 circles here. Who can tell me how many more I need to draw to make 4? Estelle, how many more circles do I need to draw to make 4? Unmute your mic, Sweet Pea. Estelle, unmute your mic for me.
3.
Okay, let's take a look to make 4. Here's another strategy. I know I need 4. I've got 1, 2, and I'm just gonna keep drawing. 3, 4. How many more did I need? 2. I needed to draw 2 more. Go ahead and do that on your paper. Now we're gonna skip down to the bottom where it says draw more X's to make 5. And we're gonna do this bottom, just this first one at the bottom. How many X's are down here at the bottom? Raise your hand when you know. How many X's do we have in this bottom box? Ada, unmute your mic.
There's 4.
Good job, Ada. There's 4 X's down here. I need to make 5. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, need to draw to make 5? Everyone? Just one. Just one. Okay, so on these ones that we didn't complete, I want you to complete that on your own. I can stay on here and help you if you need help, but try to work on this on your own and then take a picture of this page and send it to me. If you are confident, which means if you think, I've got this, you can go ahead and leave and do it on your own. If you want to stay with me, you can do that also.